Hey everyone, I'm Josh and welcome to the latest episode of AVan Tips and Tricks. Hey everyone, I'm Josh and today we are back at the front of the honeypot looking at our AVan Tips and Tricks. AVan Tips and Tricks is a little mini series that we've put together on little modifications that anyone can do to their AVan just to make their journey a little bit easier. And today's modification is actually one of the very first modifications we actually did to our van, and that is upgrade the jockey wheel. I mean, I feel like this is something that a lot of people have already done, but I cannot stress the value of upgrading the standard jockey wheel that these things come with, which is one of these. And these are big, they're heavy, they're awkward. The rubber on the wheels is not of very good quality. The one that we had only lasted one trip and it was already chipped and cracked. And they just don't roll very well. They're just not, they don't make moving the van very easy. So upgrade the jockey wheel. Now, there's a whole bunch of different arguments over what types of jockey wheels are the best jockey wheels to go for. Should you go bigger in diameter? Should you go wider, etc.? We've upgraded to the Extreme Offroad ARK XO750. This was actually given to us by a family member who bought it for their van and then discovered that they wouldn't be moving their van by hand because it was too heavy. So they gave it to us, and this thing is great. It's got double wheels on the front, it pivots, it goes up, it goes down, it is height adjustable, so depending on the terrain you can drop it down to get a bit of extra height. It swivels a full 360 degrees, so it's easy to store, and it just clamps on in place of the existing jockey wheel. Sorry, hang on a sec.
Please don't forget to
like, subscribe and share this video
click the bell
so you don't miss out on any other uploads.
Where was I? Jockey wheel. This is really, really nice. This just generally makes moving a van heaps easier. Our van has about 145 kilos of weight on the nose, so it's not super heavy, but it's not super light either. And the standard jockey wheel is just not really up to the task for moving it easily. With this jockey wheel on, T can actually move the van around more or less on her own. It may need a little bit of help pushing, but the swiveling the front around is not an issue. So upgrade your jockey wheel. Really simple one, really easy one. Just do it. It will make your life so much easier. And these things aren't ridiculously expensive either. Really quick, cheap, easy mod. You can swap these over by putting the front stabilizers down and then winding it up and unbolting it. Some people, that might be a controversial opinion, but that's the way we did it. If you're worried about weight on the stabilizers, grab the jack out, put the jack underneath the drawbar, jack it up, pull the old one off, put the new one on. Really simple, really quick, easy thing to do. I hope that one's been helpful. That's just a little tip and trick that we have with our AVan. Just, once again, little things that make our life easier in the van. If you wouldn't mind, if you're enjoying our content, if you found this video useful or any of our other videos useful for that matter, if you could please like, subscribe, share the videos, it really does help us out. We're well on our way to 500 subscribers. It would be really cool if we could hit 500 subscribers in the next couple of weeks. We are about to go away on a fairly big trip and we will be releasing a bunch of videos on that trip, and there are some pretty big changes coming to the channel. So if you're interested in our journey or following along, please like, subscribe and share the channel. This has been Josh, and today we've been with an AVan tip and trick with the honeypot. Thanks everyone for watching. Cheers. Puppies, leave the... The dogs have just decided to chase a bird. Because why not? I mean, our dogs are this big. The bird's probably bigger than they are. But they'll chase the bird.